Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darrenO'Neill.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you what I consider to be the best Microsoft Office alternative that's available today, and that is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a completely free, open source Office suite that you can download and use on Windows, Mac, Linux. And I actually have it downloaded on my Windows machine here. And it really is a great tool for those who don't want to pay for Microsoft Office. So let me just open it here and I'll show you what you get included. You get Writer document, Calc spreadsheet, Impress presentation. You get database, you get draw, and you get math formula. Now, the big three that most people always be looking for is Word alternative, Excel alternative, and obviously PowerPoint alternative. And they're really, really good. So let me just open the big three that people look for and discuss here. So you can see you have your Word document, you have all the pieces that you would expect. You get your spell check, you get you get color change, you get everything that you really would expect. And you can actually save these as .docs and .docx. And if you look down here, you'll have, so you can actually share them with people who have Word. So it's really, really good. You can save those files in an extension that people can open in Word. So you're not tied in, you're not tied into it. So it's really, really, really good tool. Let me show one or two of the other pieces here. I'm not going to save this one, but I'll quickly show the Excel tool and the presentation tool. And again, you have all the pieces that you're familiar with in Excel. It's completely free. So for example, you can do quite easily, you can do your formulas. So 2 plus 2, you get 4. And again, you can save these in formats that you can share with people if you do know that they're using Office. And again, this is a completely free open source tool that there is absolutely no charge for. Let me show the PowerPoint really quick as well. Well, the PowerPoint alternative. So let me click here, Impress Presentation, and it should open momentarily. And you see, you get, similar to what you get in Office, you get a couple of handy little templates that you can select. You can open, you get your layouts, you get your transitions, you get absolutely everything that you'd expect, but it's for free, it's open source, and it's a really, really nice tool if you're looking for an Office alternative, and particularly if you're on a budget and you can't afford Microsoft Office. So I do hope that video was helpful and was just, in my opinion, what is the best Microsoft alternative. If you know something better, please do comment below and I can do a video on that. And as always, thank you for watching.